It was on 24th year 2005. It was on Tuesday morning where we heard that Vic Malim dead. Road accident. May his soul rest in peace. We shall always remember him. And for everything we thank Lord God. Cause no man can change what God planned. And no man I mean nothing to God. So me come, me man, Majuga, me friends, Lulu alongside Dustin Capita Peter for a tribute to him. Come Dustin, do it!
In indeed, number utenga.
Me receive a message.
Udiviki wakisia.
Big man himself again.
Sinandi kutazedi.
What a setting.
Odinda tayan sanga.
Ilosa flame.
Kuma bendi limpantima. Bodisi ndilindeka.
Not all that alone.
Ulina nemunzi mungakale kutubi wanditawa.
Ifaya fikimale
Inesi ningaiwa.
Me can't forget, you know.
Zalila bagakale
Do it!
Ifaya fikimale
What a setting.
Zalila bagakale
Lord God. Jesus, watch ya. It was 24 May 2005. You know, an Emma to me, I lost up me friend. What a great shock that me feel inside here. A lot of youth man feel up the same way. We wept and cry almost the all day. Cause we know this a world we not come here to steer. There's it a thing that you can't escape. No man in the world can tell me waste here. I weather right here, I weather right here. Monday or Sunday can come any day. But all of the youth do not steer in fear. Cause in a judge of love, you know it's where we steer.
Zalila bagakale
Show flame, you know.
Ifaya fikimale
What a great love.
Zalila bagakale
All nation. Jesus, Lord, have mercy for our soul. Yeah, man. If I ima fewa mtu akadwala kusiyandu kuja osadwala. If I yotero yo ima wawa ima mpesa mtu ashingangala. If yakuviki ife inatiwawa kungo pita ife viki osatisazika. Jaffi and Gregory, them I miss you. Yapido and Star, them I miss you. Kate and Sasha, them I miss you. Jipel and Ipai, them I miss you. Edward and Code, them I miss you. Destiny and Lolo, them I miss you. Julie and Judy, them I miss you. Patty Risha, she I miss you. The whole nation miss he. Oh,
Ifaya fikimale
we can't forget you.
Zalila bagakale
But me believe one time we going to meet in heaven. For sure.
Ifaya fikimale
How can we forget?
Zalila
Now we used to do everything together, you know. Just tiring him right now.
mpaka kale.
Oriana limonga mbale.